Okay, everybody, let's start this video off with a little question. How would you do it? So I put this on Instagram the other day, and one of the guys says, "Geez, you don't even want to touch it. You're using tweezers." And I said, hell, this is just all a Lipton, right? Anyway, my buddy, I called it a hey man. My buddy sent me this part, and he sent me this drawing. And he says, can you make one? And this is for for a Clausine 13-inch lathe. One of my past videos, I redid the Acme bolt and everything, the mechanism for actuating the cross slide. It's in a past video. And he didn't send this back to me back then. So anyway, he asked me, can I make this? Says, yeah. So here's the test for all my intelligent viewers out there. I made it. Okay. There it is. Got the 1.5 inches, 1 inch, 150, excuse me. Perfect half-inch ID and a 620 OD. Got the 90 thousandths. Everything's great. Looks great. When I had it set up in the mill and I was cutting this slot, I said, I wonder if that slot goes through to the other side. Well, I didn't call my buddy. I looked at the drawing. I says, he doesn't say it's two sides. He knows me. I don't wait for anything. As a matter of fact, I got that in the mail, and 20 minutes later, I was out in my shop doing this. Mr. Never wait for anything. It's probably why I'm decent or good in the building industry, building subdivisions, homes, office buildings. I can't wait for anything, so always pushing on schedule. Okay, so all my viewers out there, how are we going to hold this and cut that slot? How am I going to put this back in the mill and cut this? Okay? That's the question for you. I'm going to answer it, but I want you to think about it. So, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick. Clock's ticking. Let's go. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the channel. I appreciate you stopping by for a review. Well, I hope that I got you thinking why I'm starting this introduction. This video includes some machining, and I got a lot of bozo attacks in here, so you'll enjoy. And tick tock, have you guys come up with a answer? We're going to move on with the video, and let's see, where is the shop dog? There he is in my chair. Hey, Howard, I got to get out of the camera. There, hey, Howie. Howie, wake up. Can you say hello? Okay. All right. Hope you guys enjoy the video. And as always, hit the subscribe button. Stick with me. Thank you. Okay, well, we're back from the introduction, and let me give you my thought on how I am going to duplicate this slot on the other side. What I have is a piece of 5/8 aluminum. So I'm going to turn down this shaft so it's 1/2 tenth over 500 thousandths, and I'm going to put it in here. Maybe put it all the way to the end, maybe put it just shy of the slot. So now I have a way to hold it. Yeah, that's good. Okay, now how do I get 180 out? So my thought is, going to put this is a 5/8 collet, 5/8 shaft. I'm going to turn this down to 1/2 inch. Going to hold it in a collet. This guy will be sitting there in a collet. Okay. Going to put it in a square collet block. Come on, get in there, honey. Go in a square collet block. Pick up the slot. Turn it over 180 degrees. Mill the slot. And as Mr. Ox Tool says, Bob's your uncle. I think it's going to work. I wonder what other people came up with, what other ideas as the clock was ticking. Tick, tock, tick, tock. So let me do a little work and maybe show you something in the mill there and see about putting this part together, finishing it. Now, all you educated people out there, I know you're going to notice something here. I know you're going to notice something here on this part. What is it that you notice? It's right there. Whoop, it was right there. It's right there. This guy's hardened. I am not going to harden this piece. I thought about it, and really for the use that it's going to be used as, I don't see the need to harden this part, and the chances of losing some of the tolerances or a warp if I go to harden it, no bueno. If my buddy, once he gets it, puts it all together, if it seems to have serious issues and it needs to be hardened, then we'll look at building it again. All right, we'll bring you back. Okay, back at the 10EE here. So we'll face the edge just to have it straight. Get a little clean cut. We know it's 625 right now, and we're going to take it down to 1/2 inch. Here comes the noise. $618.8. And just for the fun of it, we're going to take it right to size. 508 tenths. A little healthy, 498.25. That's what you get when you try to rush. So we got 501.85. Set it in the DRO. I forgot to push enter. Alright, fixing my screw up. Just what I wanted. That's a typical Chuck. Trying to go too fast, trying to impress the guys on the watching the video. Okay, here's the part, and it should not go on. Oh, it goes on nice and tight. Just perfect. Just perfect. That's where the half a thou interference is going to be. I like it. Now, do I want to whack that off? Yeah, I want that about 700 thousandths from the end. Yeah, let's not use that one. Perfect. Okay, go put this guy in the collet, line up on that slot, knock the other side. Okay, got the collet block in the mill. I got my part on the 5/8 shaft and a 5/8 collet, 1/8 inch gauge pin. So just bring it down. Eighth inch gauge pin in the hole. Tighten that guy up. Tighten my collet block. And then get it reset up to mill. Alright, got the collet block on the other side. Just give it a good tighten up. Don't think it's going to move. Now, what I do is my corner here is 0, 0. So this collet block is 1 inch 760 thousandths. So right now I have my DRO set at 880, and then I can drop right down and pick up that, and then I My front corner of the vise is 0, 0, so now I know the front of my part right there. Mil, so half of that is 62 thousandths. So right now my part is flush 0, 0. So once I touch, I need to, once I'm over 62 thousandths, reset my DRO and cut a 300 thousandths slot. Okay, got it. And comes right off the piece. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Alright, truth be told, look at that, 300 thousandths perfect. Right there. I don't know if that's showing up or not. Charlie goofed up. That's what happens when you film. Film and not paying attention. So I set my DRO wrong, and I basically caught 362 thousandths, half of the end mill. Not that it's going to make a damn difference, but truth in video, I booted that. It's a good thing it don't matter. But it is 180 degrees out, so I didn't goof that up and put it 90 or something else. Anyway, thought I'd share that with you. It was a fun build, and disappointed in doing that, but I did it on camera like other things. Thanks for watching, guys. And as always, subscribe. You can watch more of my screw-ups.